Welcome back to MadHaus Garage, back at it again with another video. We got Brandon in the house, we got Boots in the house, we got Will in the house, we got everybody in the house.
Out of the house,
He is out of the house.
but I'm Tish.
But today we're going to go ahead and film this video. Brandon doing his magic. Brandon from Havoc Audio. We will link his pages and all that stuff down in the description, all of his contact information, so that way if you guys are in the Augusta area, anywhere near, surrounding areas, hit him up for your audio needs. He'll take care of y'all.
All right, Brandon, what are we doing today?
Yeah. So, obviously the shit box. We have a aftermarket slash retro refit radio going into the Mark 1. So, instead of going with the typical single din or double din, something that's like super way more modern than what this car is, going with something that'll kind of match the era but still give the resources of all the modern stuff, you know, Bluetooth, auxiliary input, all that kind of stuff. So
Basically, it'll still look old as balls, just cleaner, and it works with Spotify.
pretty much. So also gives you a good bit of outputs for if you want to add subs and microphone, USB charging, all that lovely jazz. So we got to figure out exactly how to pull this radio out and go through all the wiring and stuff and see.
I hear Sergeant Flathead's pretty good about that.
Yeah. So is Sergeant Crowbar.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guess we'll.
Man.
I am way too fat for this car. Here's a button.
Oh, neat.
Yeah, I think we had talked about trying to use those again.
I mean, we can.
Yeah, we can see if they fit. So.
Oh my God, Zeus!
Try hitting it with your purse.
Yeah, that was the finicky one. Not finicky enough for me to fix it yet.
Yeah,
If it was the driver door, absolutely.
it'll get there eventually. I have faith in you, Boots.
On the bright side, if you break anything,
I still
the dash
wanna know
doesn't
how
look
many
any
bars.
worse.
Yeah, I know, right? All right. In that box, there should be some long yellow things. Giggity. It might be in. Yeah, it should be in that box.
Here's one.
There's one.
Hey, is this gonna be your shift knob up here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope.
There should be another
That's
one.
dope. I like
Another
that.
one.
Yeah,
Damn, so needy.
I am. I am.
I want to throw these knobs on top of the red.
Yeah, we may have to. Yeah, no. We may have to break out YouTube on this to figure out exactly how things are gonna pop in and pop out. Or, you know, we can just fucking start ripping shit out. So,
It goes across the whole dash.
yeah. I was just trying to see.
Where the pins are at.
Hey, you got a Phillips head?
Yeah. I don't know who Phillips is, but yeah.
That's the one tool that he has.
The one.
Yeah, the one.
Only one.
Yeah. I told Boots with all the Boots money he makes, he needs to go out and at least go to Harbor Freight and get that big ass mechanic tool set.
Yeah, I do.
I think Rodney and I are banned from Harbor Freight now.
And from Harvard Truck.
What was that?
It was like 1K, man, and
It's
just
like
tools.
1700.
Yeah, just tools.
Wait,
Air
y'all went out and
compressor.
spent that much on tools?
Yeah,
Jesus.
This is fucking shitting.
not about Raleigh life where I only have a fucking Phillips head. If I don't have a tool, man, I'm buying it.
Yeah, same way. If you don't have like a socket sitting on it,
I got like 4 of everything now.
yeah, their 301 piece mechanic tool set is hands down the best tool set I've ever owned. hate these order cars. I don't.
I gotta take his mouth off.
Oh, I'll take his knob off. All right.
You gotta take on everything.
Yeah, I know that whole dash. Ooh, ow.
Well, you might be able to work around.
Yeah, I think I might. I probably should have brought my socket set because I have a feeling I'm about to be highly disappointed. You got a 1/4-inch ratchet socket?
Yeah.
Or like one of those little adaptable screwdriver
A
things?
microfiber or something you can stick on the door, just in case we bonk his GPI again.
Both sides.
Yeah, I need a.
Job
Yeah,
door.
but you didn't say what
Quarter.
side you need.
We keep bonking the GTI.
Smash it just adds character.
No, kind of get rid of it. Get right here.
So then you don't care about it.
Yeah, does anybody want was a Mark 7.5?
No,
GT
it's Mark 7.
Just, okay, Mark 7 GTI.
Yeah, facelift was
Raleigh,
18.
Raleigh's selling his.
It's 16.
How much you want for it?
22.
22.
Go away.
I got
22 grand.
$23 for you.
Thank you.
so there's the old radio.
Other end of the fucking harness isn't even connected to anything.
Yeah, it's like some weird fucking German harness shit, so that's pretty gross, actually. Yeah, I would honestly, I've literally never seen this style connector in an audio system. So, I have never worked on a Mark 1. And I can promise you I'll probably never work on another one again. We'll just pretend that sticker was supposed to come off.
Yeah. It's a feature.
Yeah, it's custom. There's a little radio, little slide cage. It's so pretty.
Oh man.
Drop some.
Oh man. Unpleasant. A lot worse than I expected. I'm just gonna